Hello traders, in this video we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair gold in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. Now by the end of this week's market close on Friday 8th April 2022, we can see that gold on a weekly time frame in this week didn't really move much in a certain direction. It just kept on ranging in between these two key zones over here. Now in our previous weekly market analysis, we were expecting a breakout of either this key zone or this key zone from gold with further momentum, but in this week it just kept on ranging in between these two key zones. If you go to this daily time frame, you can see it even better. As you can see in this daily time frame, you can see the same two key zones which we drew in our previous weekly market analysis, and also you can see the other key zones as well, where we're expecting a move from gold if gold makes a breakout of either this key zone or this key zone. So in this week, obviously starting over here, gold just kept on ranging in between this key zone to this key level over here. So this becomes a no trade zone, like in between this key level to this key zone. Since you can see all this consolidation and ranging, we can look for possible buys above this key zone and possible sale below this key zone over here. Now if you go to the 4-hour time frame, then you can see the same ranging phase in between this key zone to this key zone, and also you can see the downtrend line which you drew in our previous weekly market analysis as well, keeping in mind that gold might be descending to this key zone and might make a breakout of this key zone with further bearish move if it continues to respect this downtrend line over here, making lower lows into this key zone, waiting for a breakout on the downside. But gold made a breakout above this uptrend line, so this uptrend line, as you can see, is not valid anymore, so we just remove the uptrend line. Now gold is in this ranging phase. So what we can expect on the upcoming week from gold is almost the same as what we were expecting on the previous week as well, since gold didn't really make a breakout of this ranging phase. So the analysis remains the same. If gold makes a break and close above this key zone with further bullish move, then you can look for trades on the long side in hopes of gold coming all the way to retest this key zone over here. But then again, you should always keep in mind about the manipulation of the market as well. The manipulation might be like a gold showing signs of making a break and close above this key zone, but then again facing strong price ejection over here, and then gold coming all the way to retest this key zone over here. So that move from gold could either be a manipulative move or like a stop loss hunt move over here by gold as well. So always if you see gold making a break and close above this key zone, above certain key zone, then wait for gold to form a bit of a structure on a shorter time frame, like 30 minutes time frame, like that, like a solid structure that gold might be forming on 30 minutes time frame like that. After gold makes a break and close above this key zone or like this high, then you can look for trades on the breakout of that structure to add further confirmations in hopes of gold reaching all the way towards this key zone over here. But then again, there are other small time frame key level as well, which you should keep your eyes on right around here. Let me mark one. As you can see, so there's another small time frame key level right around here where gold might react from as well. So what you can do is if you are to look for trades on gold on the long side, you can set your TP around here, and when your TP hits over here, you can wait for gold to show react from this key level, form a bit of a structure over here again, and then look for trades on the breakout of that structure again in hopes of gold reaching towards this key zone over here. And similarly, you can look for trades on the short side as well. If you see gold finding strong resistance around at this key level or this key zone, and gold coming all the way to retest this key zone over here, so if gold makes a break and close below this key zone, then you can look for trades on the short side using the same sort of technique that we talked about over here on the long side. So you can look for trades on the short side if gold makes a break and close below this key zone in hopes of gold coming to retest all the way either this key level right around here. Let me draw it over here, something like this, or either coming all the way to retest this key zone if it makes a break and close below even this key level with further bearish move, which we talked about this key zone in the daily time frame as well, which is right around here. As you can see, that's a pretty major key level, key zone where gold might head if it makes a break and close below this key zone, or better yet below this low over here. So let's see what gold does around this key zone and this key zone over here. This is a no trade zone. Wait for a breakout from this key zone, whether on the bullish side or on the short side, then you can look for trades. So that's my analysis on gold in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. And if this video helped you guys, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and also give this video a thumbs up. And I'll give a link to this trading view chart in the video description as well, which you can just click and see where all these trend lines and all these key zones and steps are. And to know the regular updates on my trades, like the trade I take throughout the whole week on the basis of this weekly analysis, you can follow me on Instagram as well. So I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on gold.